All right, today I'm taking a look at the LED smoke absorber. So we got alligator clips. Oh, that's nice. So it actually comes with a replacement, no, 2 replacement filters, 3 replacement filters. All right, so that's nice. So we got extras if we need them. And here is the unit. So we got our fan on the top, filter on the bottom, and the LED ring light around the back. And the wire is attached at the bottom, so you can move this thing all around and you don't have to worry about kinking that wire. Then we got the base. So a nice simple design, but one thing that is actually kind of cool about this, oh, it's actually not simple at all. So we got our standard top mount, then we got mounts for the sides and the front. So if we need to clamp to a desk like this, or like this, or like this will work for all of those angles. And we are padded on the back, top, and on the clamp itself. And here we have the power adapter, and one thing that is very nice about this one is that it is actually an AC plug. So for most of these LED lights and those kinds of things, you got to use a USB adapter. This one you just plug directly in, so that's nice. And then we've got the arms. So that's cool. This is actually a neat design. See, we got one clamp on the bottom, and then we got both the arms coming at the top. So normally what I would see with this would be there would be one clamp or magnetic base with each little arm. But the fact that I got 2, and I only have to deal with one clamp, that's actually kind of nice. So you can see I got the arms attached, and I'm just going to slide the alligator clip in. There we go. Attaches nice and simply. Okay. And we got one left over. So on the remote, we got 4 buttons. We got minus, plus, light, and fan. So turn the light on. And if I hit that button again, it changes the color temperature. So that's nice depending on what you want. And then the plus and minus buttons are for how bright it is. So I do like that we got plus and minus buttons on here instead of having just one button that you got to press over and over in order to get it to cycle around. And then the button on the top is the fan. That's actually pushing quite a bit of air too. So yeah, that's great. So we got the filter there to help clean up all the smoke so you're not just pushing the smoke through it. And if you've ever done soldering and you got that big whiff of smoke in your face and then you just start coughing, it immediately becomes obvious that you need something like this. And I'm used to having those ones that are just on a stand where you just like set that behind it and you hope that it pulls the smoke back. But having something like this where you can actually direct it over the work and you get the benefit of the light, that's like just a really cool idea. So yeah, overall, that is a pretty awesome little tool.